Top 8 Best 4K Video Cameras in 2023 Professional Camcorders for Hobby YouTube and Live Streaming. How to choose best cameras. When choosing a camera, there are several factors to consider, including the following. 1. Type of camera. There are several types of cameras available, including point-and-shoot, mirrorless, and DSLR cameras. Each type has its own set of features and capabilities, so it's important to choose one that best suits your needs. 2. Image quality. Look for a camera with a high resolution, as this will allow you to take high-quality photos and videos. 3. Lens options. Some cameras come with a fixed lens, while others offer interchangeable lenses. If you plan on taking photos in different settings or want more control over your images, a camera with interchangeable lenses may be a better option. 4. Camera features. Look for a camera that has the features you need, such as manual controls, image stabilization, and a fast autofocus. 5. Price and brand. Consider your budget and choose a camera from a reputable brand that offers good value for money. 6. Look for some reviews from other users that have already purchased the camera. This will give you a better idea about the camera's performance and if there are any issues or problems with the camera. It's also important to consider your own needs and preferences when choosing a camera, as what works for one person may not be the best choice for another. Today, we have selected the best cameras in Oman from the top 8 cameras in the world by using our data collection power and analyzing everything. In this video I have presented all the information about the top 8 cameras that will be especially helpful for your travel and destination in your dashware and buy from Amazon.
Hi there, Drew from Canon here. Are you looking to up your game during live streaming or web conferencing? We've got some tips for you coming right up. What we thought we would do today is give you a few tips on how to take your web conferencing, your vlogging, maybe live streaming or even gaming situation, take your imaging up another level. To do this, you'll need a few things: a camera, a video capture device, and a video or web conferencing software. But why would we want to do this? Well, right now you can see I'm using the built-in camera on my laptop. And it's not the most pleasing view you can see. You also see everything that's going on in the background. As you can see here, this camera is set to not have a clean HDMI output. You can see all the text, exposure information, and autofocus brackets around my face, which is great when I'm taking pictures and filming video, but not so good when I'm live streaming. Next, we're going to need a video capture card. This camera is outputting through the HDMI, but we have to put that signal into our computer somehow. A video capture card that's easily found online can convert that signal from HDMI to USB. Now let's see how the camera looks with the HDMI out to the video capture card. You can see right now that there is no autofocus information or exposure information on the screen. That's because it's a clean HDMI signal going to the video capture card. You'll also notice a few other things about the image. One, it's a nice, soft, clean background. You'll notice that the background is blurred out. We're using the EOS RP, a full-frame imaging sensor here, with a 35mm f1.8 lens. Now, because we're shooting it with this camera, we can shoot a manual setting, and we can choose that f1.8, and it blurs out the background. You'll also notice that the camera will track my focus as I move. This is because we have eye and face detection running on the camera as well, something a built-in camera can't do. Now let's see how this camera looks when we go to our web conferencing software. You'll notice here that the camera is set up by default for the onboard camera, the FaceTime HD camera. By clicking the drop-down and choosing the CanLink 4K, that's the video capture device. Click on that, and now we have our camera that we have, our Canon camera, all set for a webcast and live streaming.
Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera utilizes IPX7 water-resistant and Innovate dual-color screens design. It features 4K 30 frames per second video and records smooth footage with electronic image stabilization. With the upgraded waterproof case, you can deep dive up to 131 feet. Want to record slow-motion video? The Brave 7 LE is for you.